Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's me Deepthi here with another video in order to help you feel good yourself and to keep you healthy and happy. Today's our focus is on yoga workouts which is for beginners, prenatal and for postpartum. Those who were regular yoga practitioners and they are in their prenatal stage, they can do all the yoga practices which they have done before, but they can avoid the inversions as well as the twisting related exercises. So for these workouts, you don't require any other props other than the mat. So meet me on your mats.
So let's move on to a cat cow pose. That's your hands directly under your shoulders and knees directly under those hips. Here we are going to start with a stretch up and then bring that back all the way up to the ceiling, pulling those abdominals in and deep inhale and reach all the way up and exhale. We are going to do 6 more. Reach all the way up and the round that back. Few more. Here again. All the way up and look up one more time. Back down and now here we are going to fully align our body. You don't want any arch in your back or any rounding in your back. And here we are going to start with some toe taps. So here gonna extend that foot back to center. Extend that foot back. Tap the floor. Here we are gonna do 16 more. Okay. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And now you want one more of a challenge. Then try kicking out your leg back. You don't want to hyperextend your leg and you don't want your leg hyper low as well. So try to make it parallel to your body. So you are gonna lift and then send that leg back down to center and then the other side. Here you want really flex those glutes and those toes. We are gonna do 16 here. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now here we are gonna add a little more of a challenge. We are gonna raise our opposite arm and leg and back to center. So reach back to center. Here we are gonna do 16. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Here hold. Good job. Now here bring the back all the way up. Reach and release and stretch it all the way up looking upward. One more time, round out that back. Pull the belly button towards that spine and then release. Good job. And now from here come back into a child's pose. Now if you want, you can widen your thighs out so you can sit back onto your booty. Take deep breaths. Here let be here for 8 counts. 8, 7, 6, another deep breath. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now come up, bring that feet together, whatever feels comfortable for you here, and bring your palms up. Deep breathe in and exhale, palms to center, and bring your palms up and exhale, palms to center. 2 more times. Inhale and exhale, and 1 more. And roll those wrists out if you are feeling any tension in that wrist. You can do this and change the directions. Come back into hands and knees, shoulder directly above the wrist. So we are gonna bring our leg into some fire hydrant. So this means you lifting the knee, holding here and then bringing it back to center. So here we are gonna do 16, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So here we are going to shift to other side, keeping that hips square to the ground and only bring that leg up. So here 16 more. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now back to center, and now here we are gonna bring the fire hydrant and the leg lift back 16 times. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Bring that foot and knee back to center. Now other side, and if at any point if you feel that you need to roll the wrists, then do so and right back to center. shoulders directly above those wrists and bring it out and up for 16, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, deep breath, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring that leg back in and here widen those thighs and move back into a child's pose. Hips back, release those shoulders, release those wrists. Deep breathe in and exhale. 8 counts here. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Move now back to hands and knees. Realign those hips, transitioning our body to our side. We are gonna open up that hip, reach that arm out. Here we are gonna keep that knee on the ground. We don't want to force anything, especially for the prenatal, and then we are gonna bring our arm out. We are gonna bring our knee to the elbow 16 times. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Then we are gonna move to the other side. Take your time. Keep the knee on the floor. You need to really listen to your body. Reach the arm to your side and 16 lifts here. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Release your foot all the way down and here bring your feet to center. You need to readjust your body to roll those shoulders back, and here we are gonna reach to your side and stretch. Switch side. Deep breathe in and exhale. 16 more here. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Bring those arms all the way up. Deep breathe in and exhale, hands to heart center.
Thank you so much for joining me today. You can do these yoga poses 3 to 5 times a week. Drop me below comments if you want me to touch any other body parts. I love to see your suggestions. If you want to stay connected with me, then press the bell icon. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I can't wait to see you next time. Namaste.